Hello everybody. Yesterday we have dealt with some problems of exercise 2.2. Today also we will continue with the exercise and deal with some more problems related to the ages. Now move on to the question number 9. Question number 9. The ages of Rahul and Harun are in ratio 5:7. 4 years later, the sum of their ages will be 56. What are their present ages? So we have to get with this type of problems. So let the present age of Rahul and Harun be 5x and 7x. The ratio which is given, that must be taken only. Now 4 years later, that is 4 years later, that is 4 must be added to 5x and 7x. So Rahul's age will be 5x plus 4, and 4 years later, and Harun's age will be 7x plus 4. Now according to the condition, 4 years later the sum of their ages will be 56. Now according to question, it is given that sum of their ages, that means 5x plus 4 plus 7x plus 4, that is must be equal to 56. So just add up and solve the question. 7 plus 5, that is 12x, 4 that is 8, that is equal to 56. Now 12x will be equal to 56 minus 8, that is 56 minus 8 is 48. So x is equal to 48 divided by 12. So x is equal to 4. So Rahul's age will be equal to 5 into x, that is 5 into 4, that is 20 years, and Harun's age will be equal to 7 into x, that is 7 into 4, that is 28 years. So this deals with the 9th question. Now move on to question number 12. Question number 12. 15 years from now, Ravi's age will be 4 times his present age. What is Ravi's present age? क्वेश्चन कह रहा है 15 years from now, आज से 15 साल बाद रवि की जो एज होगी 4 times आज के एज की होगी. सो व्हाट इज द रवि's प्रेजेंट एज? तो मानते हैं हम लोग, वी हैव डिसाइड लेट रवि's प्रेजेंट एज बी x years. Let the present age be x years. Then 15 years from now. 14 years from now, it will be x plus 15. So x plus 15 years. So according to the question, it is given that Ravi's age will be 4 times his present age. So according to question, it is given that x plus 15 will be equal to 4x. That means आज से 15 साल बाद उसकी एज आज के 4 गुना हो जाएगी. So we'll solve it. 15 will be equal to 4x minus x or 3x is equal to 15 or x is equal to 15 upon 3 or x is equal to 5 years. So the present age of Ravi is 5 years. Now again move on to now have a look at question number 16. Question number 16 says the organizer of an essay competition decides that a winner in the competition gets a prize of rupees 100 and a participant who does not win gets a prize of rupees 25. The total prize money distributed is rupees 3000. Find the number of winners if total number of participants is 63. The question says that the total number of participants, total जो पार्टिसिपेट किए वो 63 हैं. जो जीतेगा उसको 100 रुपये वाला प्राइज मिलेगा और जो हारेगा उसको 25 रुपीज का प्राइज मिलेगा. टोटल जो प्राइज डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हुए हैं दैट इज ऑफ रुपीज 3000. इतना प्राइज डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हुआ है. सो let the number of winner be x. अगर विनर x हैं तो जो लूजर होंगे देन द नॉन विनर्स विल बी 63 माइनस एक्स. क्योंकि दोनों को जोड़ने पे 63 होना चाहिए तो x प्लस 63 माइनस एक्स क्या हो जाएगा हम लोग का x प्लस 63 माइनस एक्स विल गेट 63. मतलब टोटल नंबर ऑफ जो पार्टिसिपेंट होंगे 63 हम लोग का आ जाएगा. सो विनर लोग द विनर हैज बीन अवॉर्डेड विथ अ प्राइज ऑफ रुपीज 100 एंड द नॉन विनर्स हैव अवॉर्डेड विथ प्राइज ऑफ रुपीज 25. सो प्राइज मनी फॉर द winners that will be x into 100, that is 100x. Now next, prize money for non-winners will be 63 minus x into 100. Obviously we will get here this is 25. Non-winners have got the prize of rupees 25. So just multiply the terms, we will get 1575 minus 25x. Now here question says the total price of the money is rupees 3000. So by adding this and this we must get rupees 3000. So the total prize money distributed is rupees 3000. So therefore 100x plus 1575 minus 25x, that will be equal to 3000. So 100 minus 75 we will get 25, we will get 75x, and this will be transposed to the right hand side. So 3000 minus 1575. So 75x is equal to 1425. So x is equal to 1425 divided by 75. Obviously this is equal to 19. So the number of prizes for the winner are number of prizes for winner is 19 and number of prizes for non-winners will be 63 minus 19, that is 44. So we have obtained the solution. we have obtained the solution. Rest all the question must be done by you all in our copy. If you have got any doubt, then we will consider in our next class.